Hello friends, this video I am going to show you how to find the significant number. Okay, so significant number. So first point, all non-zeros we can call it as a significant number. 5, 3, 2, 4, 5. So there are 5 significant number in this number. Okay, so all non-zeros we can call it as a significant number. The second point, the zeros between the two numbers, two non-zero numbers, we can take it as a significant. That means here it is a 6 significant. In case 1, 0, 1. So here it is a 3 significant, because 0 between the two non-zeros number we can take it as a significant number. Okay. The another thing, the value is less than 1. It's a 0.002. The value is less than 1 before and after the decimal. Before the decimal and after the decimal, we are no need to consider as a significant. That means here it is only one significant number is there. Again 0.022. Here it is a 2 significant number is there. Only before decimal and after decimal we are not going to take it as a significant number because it is less than 1. The same thing in case 0.0100. Like this means, so after it's the value is less than 1, okay, and before decimal, after decimal we are not going to consider as a significant number, but the trailing 0, the end 0 we are going to consider as a significant number. That means here it is a 3 significant number is there. Okay, in case the value is a bigger value, 1, 2, 3, okay, 0, 0. That means it's the value is like this. Okay, without decimal the value is a bigger, it's more than 1. Okay, so the trailing 0 we are not going to take it as a significant number. That means here it is a significant number is a 3. Okay, the value with the decimal greater than 1, it is less than 1, I am going to call it's a greater than 1, it's 5.01200. That means here it is it's everything as a significant number. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 significant number is there. Because the value is greater than 1 with the decimal means everything we have to take it as a significant number. Okay, the value is less than 1 before decimal and after decimal, no need to consider as a significant number. Okay, the next thing, conversion. One unit to another unit is not going to affect the significant number. If example, I want to show you one calculation. See here, it's 1, 2, 3 meter. Here it is 123 meter. The significant number is 3. I am converting as it's a centimeter. That means 12300 centimeter. Now also the significant figure will be 3. So further I am converting as the millimeter. That means 123,000. This 3 trailing 0 we are not going to get it. So we are not going to take it as a significant. That means 3 significant number is there. Okay. The same value if you are taken kilometer also, it's 10 power minus 3. 1, 2, 3 into 10 power minus 3 kilometers. That time also the significant number is going to be the same. Okay. So I will show you the another example. So 3.500. It's a 4 significant. The value is less. It's greater than 1. Before this, we have to consider everything as a significant number. Okay. In case 4.200. Here it is the 4th significant number is there because the value is greater than 1. Okay. So I am going to do with the conversion 1 unit to conversion of 1 unit to another unit. So then I am going to check if our significant number is going to affect or not with the power of 10. See here, the power of 10. It's in case 4.700 meter. The same thing we can write 4.700 into 10 power 2 centimeter. It's 4.700 into 10 power, it's a 3 millimeter. So here also significant figure 4, significant figure 4, significant figure 4. Okay, even you converted the unit also, it's not going to affect the significant figure. Okay, when you are doing the conversion, okay, always you should give us the one number decimal another number then into 10 power something like this you are writing means your significant figure is not going to affect. Okay, again I will review what I said. Okay, all non-zeros is the significant. Okay, the zeros between the two non-zero number is the significant. Okay, the another thing, the value is less than 1 before decimal and after decimal is not a significant. Okay, the value is more than 1, everything we can consider as a significant figure. Okay, the value is greater than 1, it's without decimal 1200. Okay, so here the trailing zero we are not going to take it as a significant figure. Okay, and we are converting from one unit to another unit also, the significant figure is not going to affect. Okay, the another point we are doing is the power of 10. Okay, that time also the significant figure is not going to affect. Thank you.